Welcome back to our 9:30 challenge. Today I'm here at our body shop with Maurice.
Hi, how are you? Good morning.
Maurice has taken this car from basically what was a sun-drenched 30-plus-year-old car and restored it to the condition you see right here. Maurice, can you tell us a little bit about what you did?
Absolutely. Well, the vehicle came to us with 30 years, basically, of road wear, I guess. And what we had to do is we started first from the bottom of the vehicle. What we did is we basically pressure cleaned it beyond, cleaned all the old undercoatings, removed all the little imperfections that were on it, and restored it completely underneath every wheel well to a factory type finish.
Yeah, looks brand new.
Brand new. So you could put your hands in here. Look at this. Nothing comes out. You could eat off this thing.
During your process of going through the body, did you find any damage to the car?
Yeah, we did find some damage in the front compartment. We had to do some repairs here to the front panel that wasn't to the factory.
Hey, Maurice, could you tell us what you did in this front tub section of the car?
What we did here is that we noticed that on this part here, it wasn't to the factory, welds and finished. So we had to basically redo this whole area again, rerun the seam sealers as Porsche specs, and make it look like the other side, as well as resurfacing the entire wheel well. So all this was like nasty and corroded.
That there were any repairs done.
Thank you, Mark. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Well, you did such a fantastic job up front. Could you tell us a little bit about what you did in the rear of the car?
Absolutely. Here we are at the rear of the car. Here's where most of the work was done because this area here had to be replaced, this lower filler of this panel. And of course, we had to weld it and make sure that all the welds matched to the opposite side like factory does. And then of course, re-undercoat the entire area.
So all the frame rails and engine mounts, were that in good shape or?
They were in decent shape, Mark.
Yeah.
Okay. But they needed to be freshened up. I mean, the car's got years on it. So
yes.
Overall wasn't bad, but yeah, they definitely needed to freshen up. And that's basically what we did.
Tell you guys, it looks brand new.
Yes, it came out really good. We're really happy. I mean, there was a lot of work put into it, but we're really happy the way it came out. I appreciate it.
Perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Well, I tell you, you guys did a fantastic job. The paint on this car looks like it's wet.
Yes, it's wet.
I don't want to ask you your secret touches that you did, but I almost feel like I can put my hand through this panel.
It absolutely
looks fantastic.
Thank you, Mark.
You did a fantastic job.
Thank you very much.
Guys, thank you for tuning in. Please tune into all our social media, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for more updates. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.